Ipapangiti mo ako kahit laka namang ginagawa. Parang di na to nakakatuwa. Nahuhulog na sa'yo.
Hello everyone, I am Dana May from Group Stage and I'm here with the president of Diliman Dance Company.
Being a part of Diliman Dance Company really taught me that time management is not just about having more time, but it's just about having a clear priorities. Ako, as a student, alam ko kung kailan ako magpo-focus sa ACADS ko, and alam ko kung paano ko bibigyan ng time ang dance troupe. And kapag alam mo kung paano i-balance ang ACADS and passion mo, mas magiging organized and responsible ka rin talaga ng tao. In Diliman Dance Company, this experience helped me grow inside and outside the classroom. In my soft skills, mas naging confident akong makipag-usap sa mga iba't ibang tao. Mas natuto ako mag-handle ng pressure and mag-accept ng iba't ibang personalities. And sa hard skills ko naman, mas nag-develop yung leadership and as well as choreography planning and time scheduling. For me, I apply my leadership by lead with example and not just by position. Nakikisama ako, nakikinig, and andyan ako kapag kailangan yung presence and supports ko. And when it comes to communication, minimake sure ko talaga na clear ang goals, open and discussion, and especially may respeto sa opinion ng bawat kasama ko. I always remind myself that leadership is not just that. It's just seen in action and not in titles. I maintain my positive image by being humble and consistent sa ACADS and sa passion ko. I hope my leadership inspires others by showing that you don't need to be perfect to lead. You just need to be committed. I want them to see na kapag nakakasama ka sa mga school activity, mas nakikilala mo kung sino ka, mas alam mo kung ano yung kung ano talaga yung strength mo and to become the better version of yourself. I think kapag ako sa leadership ko, may na-push akong isang student na mag-step up at ma-motivate mag-participate sa mga school activities. I feel that's already a win as a leader.
That's all everyone. Marami tayong natutunan sa president ng Dance Club. Sinabi niya na ang dance ay hindi lang puro pagsasayaw, ngunit isa to sa mga way para marami kang matutunan, lalo-lalo na sa school at para sa sarili mo. Yun lamang. Bye-bye!
Paligid ko'y humihinto tuwing lumilingon sa'yo. Ayoko.
Hello guys! Nandito tayo ulit. Nandito naman tayo sa badminton club and nandito kasama ko si Leo V. Hello Leo V.
Ayun, syempre, nakakatulong siya sa akin sa pagmamanage ko ng time kasi nagkakaroon ako ng extra gawain and nagiging stress reliever din kasi talaga siya kasi nga, imbis na puro aral lang, maganda na meron tayong ganitong extracurricular activities sa school natin. So, ayun, syempre, here sa training kasi, syempre, i-reference mo talaga yung mga bagay-bagay and hindi sa lahat ng pagkakataon magiging magaling ka. And may mga times na may mapapahiya ka ganun and wala naman taong may gusto nun. So, sa pagsali ng mga ganitong club, masasanay ka and mas ma-enhance mo yung sarili mo. You have to communicate kasi other than playing, syempre gusto mo rin na magkaroon ng bonds with your teammates and coaches. So, ayun, syempre, natututo rin ako na makipag-communicate sa iba't ibang klase ng tao dito sa club kasi in case na sa classmates ko lang, nakakasalamuha ko yung iba't ibang strands and grades dito. Ayun, of course, avoid issue with anyone and just do what you think is right nang walang pinapakailaman or tinatapakang tao, ganon. And ayun lang, just do what you think is right and what's good for everybody. So, sa pagiging leader, syempre, hindi lang ako basta nagpapautos or nagbibigay ng gawain sa kanila. Sometimes, sinaaya ko rin sila sumali sa mga ganitong organization, clubs, para naman makuha nila kung ano yung gusto nila. And naniniwala kasi ako na may kanya-kanya tayong talent. Kailangan mo lang hanapin yun. So, by trying things like this, pwede mo makuha yun.
And everyone from Admin.Lab, thank you so much for participating in Leo Week. And
Sana palipasan pa ang oras na di ko masabi sa'yo.
Ngayon naman guys, ating i-interview si
Prince Baguio.
auditor ng Glee Club and member ng Salundag.
Maintaining time management has been always a part of me. Though kahit mahirap siya, kailangan maging organized tayo when it comes sa mga schedule ng mga gawain. Lalo na as a STEM student, no? I'm aspiring to pursue my course in college na related sa STEM. When it comes sa mga skills na yan, it includes my interpersonal communication with my fellow Dilimanians and also fellow co-officers sa mga clubs, no? Na kahit pa paano nakakapag-communicate ako sa kanila and engage sa mga gawain on the right track, Ganyan din, when it comes sa mga talents, hobbies, and skills ko, mas nai-improve ko pa to. Ang sabi ko kanina, interpersonal communication ay aangkop as a leader, no? Bakit? Dahil yung interpersonal, andun yung pakipag-communicate sa iba, ganun din yung interpersonal, pakipag-communicate mo rin sa sarili mo in a way na dapat yung mga sinasabi natin, yung mga kikilos natin as a student leader dito sa Diliman College. When it comes to being positive, yun talaga yung dapat natin ng isang student na kagaya ko. And any other student naman talaga kailangan maging positive at all times. So when it comes to inspiring others, me as a student leader, ako yung tipo ng leader na talagang na-approach kahit sino. And not just approaching others, but I'm making myself be more approachable din kahit paano. Lalo na sa mga younger students natin, no? Sa mga juniors natin sa grade 11.
Thank you so much for Prince Baguio for that wonderful interview. Pinapahiwatig ng Glee Club na hindi lang basta laging ACADS. Ito rin ay isang magandang oportunidad para sa ating mga talento.
Sana palipasan pa ang oras na di ko masabi sa'yo. Etong nararamdaman ko, pero itatanong ko muna kung di.
Potato, my name is Clara Lisa from Diliman College, Senior High.
Actually, pang 2 years ko pa lang na nagpo-coach dito sa Diliman. And sobrang challenging niya, especially kasi walang scholarship. So mahirapan tayo kumuha ng mga magagaling na players kasi alos na kuha sila ng mga UAAP, kung pag-try kayo doon, NCAA or So, kumbaga sa madaling salita, yung mga natitira lang na hindi masyadong marunong, ayun lang yung nakukuha namin. So, mas nahihirapan pa tayong kumuha ng players since hindi pa ganun ka-quality yung mga benefits na binibigay ng mga players. Medyo madali lang naman kasi ang pinakamahirap lang din is kung yung player na ginagamit mo ngayon is pare-pareha silang graduating students. Siyempre, challenging yun, lalo na kung lahat sila graduate na. Kailangan yung mga susunod na batch is ready na or prepare na to play volleyball. So, ayun. Pag ganun naman, di ko na inihintay na graduate pa yung mga players ko bago pa ako mag-enhance ng panibagong mga players. Ayun.
Thank you, Coach Rhea, of the volleyball team coach, for being part of this interview.
Hey, future Dilimanians, I am Sir Roy Crisostomo. I'm the current SSG advisor and also, I'm the advisor of the Esports Club, okay? So now, what can you expect here in the Diliman College? Now, there are a lot of different kinds of teaching styles from the teachers. So there are teachers that are very student-centered, teachers that are teacher-centered. So you're here, you will be able to learn the most important subjects through different ways. So aside from the learnings, there are also a lot of different events. So in this previous year, we had the STEM Week, the HUMS Week, the Entrepreneurial Week, Entrepreneurship Week, rather.
So here in Diliman College, you can expect not just to be sitting in a classroom studying, but you can also expect movement, you can expect a lot of activities, you can expect to gain real life skills that you will be more or less applying in your future. So future Dilimanians, get excited, get energized, get hyped, and I hope you will enjoy your stay here in our
Hello everyone, I'm Elena Deyan Quizon. I'm from 11 Eames Aristida. My message to future Dilimanians is that you will be expecting a lot of activities, experiencing a lot of fun and exciting activities that you've never experienced in any other school before. So, kaya dito sa Dilimanian, taran!
Papangiti mo ako kahit laka namang ginagawa. Parang di na to nakakatuwa. Nahulog na sa'yo. Nahulog na
Dito sa Diliman College.
Kaya dito sa Diliman College. Kaya dito sa Diliman College.
Kaya dito sa Diliman College,
Napapangiti mo ako kahit laka namang ginagawa. Parang di na to nakakatuwa. Nahuhulog na sa'yo. Napapangiti mo ako kahit laka namang ginagawa. Parang di na to nakakatuwa. Nahuhulog na sa'yo.